Hello, my name is John Alessi. I'm the Director of Finance for a local governmental agency. About 6 months ago, I was injured, basically tore my rotator cuff and my bicep muscle and tendon. I was preparing my house for Hurricane Irma, was putting up the storm shutters. I was doing that with my son. My son was on the ladder and he looked like he was going to teeter. I went to grab him. I heard a pop occur in my bicep area. Thought nothing of it, continued to get the house ready. I noticed that my arm had become very, very swollen. That is when I called Dr. Mighell's office. Right away, didn't even need to take an x-ray because they knew exactly what the injury that I had. I had torn my rotator cuff and torn my bicep tendon and muscle. Then I was instructed to make an appointment with Dr. Mighell. Rita sat down with me and Dr. Mighell sat down with me and explained to me exactly what the surgery was going to entail. But I had a lot of trust with Dr. Mighell and Florida Orthopaedic Institute because he basically gave me the facts and told me the pros and cons. Right when I walked in there, the receptionist was very hospitable and just tried to make me feel comfortable right when I got in about, not having any stress, pressure, insurance, anything like that. And Dr. Wong, we were joking around. Dr. Ben was there also, who was Dr. Mighell's assistant. What I like about Florida Orthopaedic Institute is that every one of their team shows confidence. And when you see that confidence as a patient, you automatically start to relax. I had a choice of facilities to go to as far as for my physical therapy, and I decided to stick with Florida Orthopaedic Institute. My physical therapist is Christina Pando. She goes by the name of Pando. She has been instrumental in helping me get back to what I love to do, which is fishing. I am an avid fisherman. I love to go fishing with my family. We basically do springtime fishing and fall-time fishing. I've caught a 46.5-inch snook, 37 pounds, with Captain Chris Wiggins. It's been very troubling for me not to be able to go fishing. And it's not just me fishing, it's basically being able to spend quality time with my family and on the boat and seeing the fish that we catch. So my goal is to hopefully be fishing for this upcoming fall season for 2018. Dr. Mighell explained to me, which is very important, is that Dr. Mighell can repair me, but it's up to me to get to where I want to be and need to be for my quality of life. So it's a partnership between the patient and with Dr. Mighell and Florida Orthopaedic Institute.